Losing photos or videos from an SD card or any other external medium for that matter is one of these moments every content creator, photographer, videographer absolutely hates. It's so devastating, and maybe even you accidentally deleted the wrong folder, formatted a memory card too early, or plugged in a USB drive and suddenly files are gone. Tons of scenarios and it always sucks, but there is an easy solution for that. Check it out right there. It's called Stellar Photo Recovery, and this is a great tool especially designed for photos, videos and audio files. And best of all, it's very simple. You simply have to select the storage device after, of course, plugging it in. Then simply scan it. Then you can preview all the files that got found. Yeah, and then you can restore everything that you need. And I will try just that with SD cards, USB drives and even external HDDs. And I also especially want to look at the raw photo recovery, because for any photographer that is actually a huge deal. While most recovery services have huge problems with actual raw files, Stellar supports a wide range of raw formats, even from different cameras, different brands, which makes it extremely useful, especially if you shoot professional photo or video content. And the best part is that there is even a free version that lets you scan and even recover up to 10 pictures or videos or audio files for free. So you can actually test if you can find your lost files and if they can be recovered first for free, completely free, before committing to anything. So yeah, let's go. Right, so there we go. When you click the link in the description, you will end up right here. We can start the download, and there we go. We have system requirements, technical specifications. And while it is downloading, check this out. We have the brand new version 12 with enhanced RAW and more file formats that are supported. Pretty much any file type, from photos to videos to audio files, and also all storage devices are supported. It's pretty much the same workflow for all of them. And this program is a one-stop solution for any recovery needs. We have real customer feedback, and we have even more features that the software offers. Really powerful, really nice. And there is actually a ton, as you can see. And when you're done with the free scan and you decide to commit, here we also have pricing, but through our links you will get the best deals possible, just so you know. But as you can see, even the default pricing is absolutely worth it when you think about the massive issues and problems that you can solve with this software, especially if you're a professional customer. And as you can see, they have fabulous reviews. Yeah, now enough said. Let's install this software. Should be quick and easy, right? And let's go. Install. Okay, we are ready to launch. So it will now open up this website, and the software, it's right here. But just in case, you will even get a little guide, FAQs, all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's check it out. So as you can see, the user interface looks very intuitive and easy to understand. We have the what to recover. We can also start from recover from. We can resume a recovery, and we have general settings right there. And we also have add raw file formats. And as you can see, tons and tons of formats are supported. Right there, I'm looking for Sony because I will try this also with Sony. But now it's time to start, and I want to recover from. And now let me plug in an SD card. Just so you know, when we open it up, here are all the clips. And as you can see, there is nothing on here. Everything has been deleted. And as you can see, it popped up right here as well. Just so you know, when you click on what to recover, when you click on next, you will actually get here as well. So it's this one right there. And we can also activate a deep scan. This will take longer, but I think it's not needed, but we will see. So let's click on scan. And while it's doing the scan, we can also check out some details right there. It's doing that in different phases. So let's wait for that to finish. Next phase. Okay, so the scan was completed, and there were tons of files found in 6 folders, and as you can see, 34 gigs are actually recoverable. But as you can see right here, when we actually check out the drive, there is only 286 megabytes on it. So that's the first sign that the software is actually amazing. And you can even go further if you go for a deep scan. This will take longer, but it will find even more, I'm sure. But let's see what we got right now. So again, in the private and clip, here we have all the video files that we can recover. So there is a rather small one. Let's see, recover. So as you can see, I can recover up to 10 files with the free version. So let's click on upgrade later. And now we can click, well, we can select the path, and let's select this folder right here. And we have more options. So we can create zip files. We also have recovery options, and we can also add a filter. Yeah, it's simple as that. Just click on save. Oh, I actually messed up. I think I was supposed to only select one of them. So this is the recover folder. So we have this. So we have recovered these images right there. So now when I want to recover this, I actually have exceeded the free version recovery limit, but as you can see, the software is really fast and powerful, so it's totally worth it. So I will actually upgrade right now. So again, just a short overview of the options that you can get. For the standard one, you get the basic recovery features, but when you go for professional or premium, you also get corrupted photo as well as video repair options, just so you know. But the standard for me should be fine. We can also get a lifetime license. And now we can simply enter the key right here, click on activate, and there we go. So new order, let's go. So of course, recovering a video will take longer than a picture because it's multiples of the file size. And we also get a shortcut, view data, let's go. So there we have it. And let's see, it's also working. So let's check out the properties. Wow, that was actually a file that I recorded 2 years ago. That is crazy. So it will also recover most of the old metadata. Super interesting. That is like a time machine. Very, very interesting. Super powerful software. And we also have different view options. So we also have a file list and also a deleted list for just deleted files right there. Oh, and we can see it actually right here. So date created, that was 2024. Interesting. Okay, and then we can also save the scan, and when on the about, we can also contact the support if you have questions, but that's fine with me. We don't need to save. We can also save that, but that's that. Let me unplug it. Now we have another SD card in here, and check this out. There is nothing in here, nothing in here. No kidding, there is like use space 14 megabytes, nothing on this. So this time I actually want to go for photos right there. Next, and we have it right here popping up right away. So let's right away go to the scan page. All right, okay, and there we go. So perfect result. I have just used this one time. I took 4 demo pictures in RAW, found everything, and this time we will check out the deleted list right away, and it's right there. And these are RAW files, ARW. Really hard to recover, and again a testament to the actual power of the software. So now let's go and let's recover it right away. And as you can see, it's also really fast. Okay, and there we have it. So right here we have all the RAW files. It also gave me some thumbnails right there. Interesting. But in any case, here are the RAW files. So let's test this one. Yes, the lion. There we go. RAW image, 36 megabytes. Recovered like it was nothing. And you can, as you can see, you can scan everything that you can see. You can even scan the system disks or the other SSDs that are in this computer right here. For example, this HDD 5 terabytes, nothing on it. It's totally empty. Now, when it gets to absolutely huge drives like this one, the quick scan is definitely, wow, that was super fast. Oh my goodness, the quick scan is such a lifesaver because a deep scan would definitely take a full night. And as you can see, there is 0.5 terabyte of recoverable data that was found in no time. So we have lost folders as well, right there. Tons of data, tons of files, everything that you can imagine, from images to audio to video files, different file formats, all of that, no issue. Proxy files, MP4, everything that you can imagine. With this software, you can recover it. So definitely check it out. First link in the description. Don't forget, you can test this for free. It's a no-brainer. You can't go wrong. Definitely check it out. Massive thumbs up from my side. Great software. So overall, Stellar Photo Recovery is a very useful tool, whether you work with SD cards, USB drives, memory cards, external hard drives, and no matter if it's Windows or Mac. If you ever run into deleted, lost, or accidentally formatted drives, media files, well, now you know what to do. And for me, the best part is the workflow, because you don't need to be super technical. It's simple and straightforward and fast. Simply plug in the device, select it, run the scan, then you can preview what was found, and then easily recover everything that you need. And even better yet, for creators and photographers, the wide RAW photo support is especially important, because losing camera RAW files can be much more painful than simply losing normal JPEGs. And I also really like the fact that the free version allows you a free scan and even recovery of up to 10 files, and that makes it super easy and simple to test the software before actually committing for the professional subscription. But of course, any recovery always depends on the actual state of the storage, well, talking about the condition, and actually also, that's even more important, if the deleted data has already been overwritten. So in the case when you find out that something is missing, actually don't use the medium anymore. This way you should be safe. But the software itself, as you saw, it's a great, simple to understand, intuitive, hands-on tool for photos, for videos, for audio files. No matter the storage, SD cards, USB drives, HDDs, Windows, Mac, it can do it all, and in my opinion it's definitely worth it. Massive thumbs up from my side. So check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing Tech Magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.